So let's open it, guys. So there's a bubble wrap inside, so it's wrapped there. So we're gonna be opening it carefully with the scissors, the small scissors. We will count them. So this is a lot of cover. So it seems like it doesn't want us to give the package because it's so small. I mean, it's really wrapped that much. Okay, here goes. Wow, there are these peanuts and those small washers. Very small. I think they are very small washers. We're gonna find out. So we're gonna be first counting. They are 10 pieces. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Also the peanut. Let's cut it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10. How about the washer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. At least it's good. Okay, guys, so we just tested the bolts here. So you can see. So the next one will be, we are going to put T-nut below so that we could see if it will work well with our connections with the wood here. It's very nice subwoofers. Okay, guys, so what I've done is I placed each screw a T-nut underneath, as you can see there. So here is the wood and the T-nut is there. So this is what you see in the internet. So this is the washer. So I've done it also with this other T-nuts. You see. So the idea of the T-nut is that this T-nut will go directly to the wood while you are gonna turn it, and then it will go inside this so that it will not let go, and you could now easily put screws. So I will try a T-nut and I'll show you guys the results. Okay, we're gonna be trying to turn this.
So you can see the teeth almost started to get in the wood. So let's just need to turn this on. As you can see, just need to turn it until everything is all the way inside the wood. You can hear that there's like a cracking sound, so it's getting inside the wood. You'll also do that with the other one. You need to turn it until you can turn it anymore. That's how you install T-nut. Turn it until there is no more gap like this inside the wood. You can feel it already stopped. So as you can see, it almost went through and it's done. You can't turn it anymore. So that's how you install T-nut. You guys also do the rest for them. It's one of the most satisfying touch. There you go, guys. That's how I install T-nut. So it's already inside.
Hindi pa. Hindi pa.
You're replacing the T-nut, so you just need to insert your screw. It's already loose thread, and we're going to be replacing it. Remove it. Because there's a really tight T-nut over there.
As you can see that. So again, the T-nut is over there. The T-nut is here. Okay, so there you go. See, it's very tight.
Wait lang. So to remove the T-nut, you just need to put the screw and do that. And voila, as you can see here, the T-nut is removed. That's how you remove the T-nut.